Have you ever stopped to think about how more than 3 million tons of jackfruit harvested every year are transformed into thousands of tons of crispy golden snacks enjoyed across the globe? It may look like an ordinary tropical fruit, but behind every crunchy bite lies a journey that few people have ever witnessed. It all begins beneath the thick green canopy of sprawling jackfruit orchards, where enormous fruits hang heavily from the trees under the blazing tropical sun. One by one, experienced farmers carefully harvest these giants with remarkable precision. From there, the fruit travels to advanced processing facilities, where powerful automated machines and skilled workers work side by side to separate the flesh, slice it with incredible accuracy, and slowly dry it into the sweet, fragrant, crispy jackfruit chips loved in countries around the world. Today, we're going behind the scenes to uncover the incredible transformation of one of nature's largest fruits into a golden delicacy that's rapidly winning over millions of people worldwide. Thailand is often called one of the world's true jackfruit capitals, producing nearly 400,000 tons every single year. This remarkable fruit isn't only grown on massive plantations. It also dominates the country's famous floating markets, where countless jackfruits change hands daily from small wooden boats drifting through narrow canals. But what makes this story even more surprising is its explosive rise beyond Asia. Just a few years ago, many Americans had never even tasted jackfruit. Today, it has become one of the fastest-growing ingredients in the plant-based food movement. Young jackfruit has earned a remarkable reputation because its fibrous texture absorbs seasonings so well that it can convincingly imitate pulled pork, shredded chicken, and many other meat dishes. Interestingly, first-time buyers often mistake jackfruit for durian because both are huge, spiky tropical fruits. But their personalities couldn't be more different. Durian is famous for its powerful smell that people either passionately love or instantly avoid. Jackfruit, on the other hand, welcomes everyone with its naturally sweet aroma and mild flavor, making it far easier to enjoy with family and friends. So here's a question for you. Which one would you choose? Jackfruit or durian? The story of every giant jackfruit actually begins with something incredibly small. Farmers carefully select seeds from perfectly ripened fruits known for their excellent quality. Each seed is gently treated with a protective solution before being wrapped in natural fibers that help maintain the ideal moisture level. Within just 5 to 7 days, something fascinating happens. The hard shell slowly cracks open, revealing a tiny white root, the first unmistakable sign that a new tree has come to life. Once the seeds have sprouted, the planting process begins. Farmers prepare small holes in soft, well-aerated soil before gently placing each seed inside. After covering them with loose earth, they spread a layer of dry straw across the surface. This simple but effective blanket protects the fragile seedlings from scorching sunlight, heavy rain, and sudden temperature changes, giving the young plants the perfect environment to emerge safely above the soil. As the tiny jackfruit plants continue growing and fresh green shoots appear, the next critical stage begins, grafting. Farmers carefully collect healthy buds from mature trees famous for producing exceptional fruit. These buds are skillfully attached to the young seedlings and tightly wrapped with thin plastic film to encourage successful bonding. Around 7 to 10 days later, once healthy green shoots begin growing from the graft, the wrapping is carefully removed. Only the strongest and healthiest grafted plants are selected for transplantation into the orchard, where they'll begin the long journey toward producing fruit. Growing a productive jackfruit tree requires patience. Over the next 3 to 5 years, farmers dedicate themselves to watering, fertilizing, pruning, and protecting the trees from pests and disease. Eventually, the first fruits begin to appear. The initial harvest may be small, but it proves that the tree has matured successfully and is now ready to enter many years of reliable production. As the seasons pass, these towering trees withstand blazing heat, tropical storms, and powerful winds. Then, as September arrives, the orchard undergoes a stunning transformation. Hidden beneath thick green leaves, giant golden jackfruits begin revealing themselves one after another, filling the air with their unmistakable sweet fragrance. It's the unmistakable signal that harvest season has finally begun. But identifying a perfectly ripe jackfruit isn't nearly as simple as picking an ordinary fruit. Experienced farmers rely on several subtle signs. The leaves become noticeably darker. The thick outer skin gradually changes from green to yellow. The sharp spikes soften slightly, and sticky sap begins seeping from the stem. Fruits weighing between 10 and 30 kilograms usually meet the ideal standards for commercial harvesting, balancing both sweetness and texture. Before harvest, every jackfruit is carefully covered with a green mesh bag. This protective layer shields the fruit from insects, harsh sunlight, and accidental damage while allowing it to continue ripening naturally. On large commercial farms harvesting hundreds of fruits every day, workers depend on specially designed cutting tools equipped with long poles and razor-sharp blades. With one swift and carefully controlled motion, they slice through thick branches and bring down even the heaviest fruits growing high above the ground. Every cut must be absolutely precise. One mistake can scar the fruit, damage future branches, or reduce the overall harvest. Only farmers with years of experience can confidently judge whether a fruit has reached peak sweetness or still needs a few more days on the tree. Despite appearances, harvesting jackfruit is anything but easy. Many fruits hang more than 3 meters above the ground, forcing workers to climb sturdy ladders while carefully balancing among dense branches. Once they reach the fruit, every movement becomes critical. The stem is cut with complete control while the heavy fruit is slowly lowered by hand. Dropping it is never an option. Even a single impact can bruise the delicate flesh, scratch the thick skin, and significantly reduce its market value. In the canal-side orchards of central Thailand, however, farmers have developed a surprisingly clever harvesting technique. Instead of carrying these enormous fruits by hand across the fields, they carefully cut them and gently lower them directly into the canals below. Boats then glide along the waterways collecting the floating harvest, turning the canals themselves into an efficient transportation system that carries the fruit straight toward nearby floating markets. Freshly harvested jackfruits, still full of freshness, are loaded onto pickup trucks and motorbikes before being transported to local collection centers. Here they undergo their first inspection. Workers trim away extra leaves and stems, improving their appearance and preparing them for sale. From this point, some continue to local markets while others begin a completely different journey toward modern processing factories, where they'll eventually become the crispy dried jackfruit enjoyed around the world. But before entering the factory, let's make one stop at Thailand's bustling jackfruit markets. Towering stacks of ripe golden fruit line the stalls as buyers and sellers negotiate prices in every direction. The rhythmic sound of knives slicing through thick rinds fills the air, accompanied by the unmistakable sticky aroma of fresh jackfruit sap. Skilled vendors coat their long, razor-sharp knives with cooking oil to prevent the sap from sticking. Then, with one confident cut, the tough, spiky shell splits apart, revealing rows of bright golden fruit pods hidden inside. Each segment is quickly separated, the seeds removed, and the fibrous strands trimmed away before being neatly packed into plastic containers, ready for eager customers. At famous markets such as Chattachak in Thailand, often called a paradise for fruit lovers, thousands of jackfruits are prepared every day for tourists and local residents. But not every fruit ends up on a market stall. A large portion heads directly to advanced processing plants, where a completely different transformation begins. As soon as the jackfruit reaches the factory, workers transport it into storage and inspection areas. Every fruit is carefully weighed, graded, and sorted according to its final destination. After classification, the outer surface is thoroughly cleaned to remove dust and debris collected during transportation. The next stage is one of the most delicate parts of the entire operation, removing the seeds and fibrous core. Before touching a single fruit, workers follow strict hygiene procedures. Hands are disinfected using specialized sanitizing solutions containing at least 70% alcohol, ensuring the highest food safety standards throughout production.